Regiogaucho, where Gaucho tradition meets Regio flavor. Our story: Regiogaucho was born in 1969 in Monterrey, Nuevo León, Mexico. The spark that lit our fire was the chimichurri recipe, a culinary treasure that an Argentine shared with our family. Today, after 55 years, we are proud to bring this flavor to more tables and homes. The Regiogaucho Chimichurri. In 2019, we began crafting our chimichurri. We honor the tradition and Gaucho essence of the original recipe, but infuse it with a Regio touch. The result is a tropicalized dressing that enhances the flavors of meats, chickens, fish, cheeses, sausages, vegetables, and more. A subtle and versatile flavor, Regiogaucho Chimichurri is not invasive or aggressive. Its perfect balance of ingredients and its artisanal elaboration allow it to integrate harmoniously into your dishes without overpowering the flavors. It is also easy to digest, making it ideal for everyone to enjoy. Innovating with passion. Beyond traditional chimichurri, we venture to create new culinary experiences. We incorporate chili piquin to give it a spicy touch without turning it into a sauce. We also create delicious compound butters, one with chimichurri and fine herbs, and another with salsa macha. That provides a Mexican flavor without being spicy. In both, butter is the star, with spices as a subtle complement. Natural and healthy products. At Regiogaucho, we are committed to using natural ingredients, such as parsley, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and spices, with no artificial preservatives, versatile and healthy. They will help you season, dress, or cook an infinite number of dishes, filling your kitchen with sensational aromas. Recommendations for using our products. Chimichurri. Use it to spice, marinate, or dress to your liking. Butters. Substitute vegetable oils for our butters when cooking. In addition to giving a delicious flavor, they help to tenderize proteins thanks to the enzymes in the lactose. We are sure that Regiogaucho will please your palate. Enjoy, and don't miss our recipes at regiogaucho.com and all our social networks.